Hi guys, this is Braylon here, and I'll be portraying the character Clay from the play Dutchman. You telling me what I ought to do? Well, don't. Don't tell me anything. If I'm a middle-class fake white man, then let me be. Let me be the way I want. As a matter of fact, let me be who I feel like being. Uncle Tom, Thomas, whoever. It's none of your business. You don't know anything except for what's there for you to see. A device. Lies. Not the pure heart. The pumping black heart. You don't ever know that. You sleep with a black man and right away you're an expert on black people. And do you want to do the belly rub? Shit, you don't even know how. That old dictative shit you do, rolling your ass around like an elephant, that is not my kind of belly rub. Belly rub is dark places with big hats and overcoats held up with one arm. Belly rub hates you. Old, bald-headed, four-eyed O-phase popping their fingers, and they say, oh, I love Bessie Smith, and doesn't understand that Bessie Smith is saying, kiss my black ass. Kiss my unruly black ass. Before love, desire, anything you can explain, she's saying, and very plainly, kiss my black ass. See?